It's summer, it's hot, and your face is melting, and your makeup gone like a ice cream. Don't worry, Giggle, we have all been there. Hey, Giggle, welcome back to my channel, Ananya Giggle. And this is me, Ananya, your go to girl for real wearable beauty that fits your life and pocket and not just in your feed. So, today I will show you guys how to do a sweat proof makeup routine for this summer season. No melting, no sweating, no sliding, without creasing and totally budget friendly. So let's get into it step by step, product by product, and I will explain why each one matters, especially in summer. So start with a gentle gel-based cleanser to remove oil, dirt and sweat from your skin. I am using this simple refreshing facial wash. It's a suit for all skin type. If you have super oily skin, then look for ingredients like salicylic acid or green tea. They will control excess sebum without stripping your face. Summer means puffy skin. I like to use a ice roller to sink the pores and reduce inflammation. I'm using it directly on my skin, but you guys can also use it wrapping it with a towel or a cotton cloth. Now time to balance things out. So I'm using a hydrating toner from Dot and Key. It helps to tidy the course and control oil production. I'm dabbing it on my skin. It spreads the skin beautifully and makes everything apply smooth. Then I used 50% vitamin C face serum from the Dermaco company. Pick one based on your skin needs, like something brightening or hydrating kind of. For moisturizer, I'm using this Pond Hyaluronic Hydrate and Strengthen Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Don't forget your neck also. Always use a gel-based moisturizer. It hydrates your skin without making your skin greasy. This step is non-negotiable even if you are oily skin, because hydrate skin hold makeup longer than usual. So now it will be the main source of my light. So sorry. Now next step. Never ever skip the sunscreen. This is your true anti-aging hero. I mean, I'm using this Dot and Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Sunscreen. Don't rely on makeup with SPF. Always use a dedicated sunscreen as your last skincare step. It protects from UV damage and pigmentation. You guys also can use the matte sunscreen. I'm using this because I wanted a dewy look but a sweat boost. Finish it with a good lip balm or with SPF you can use. I'm using Dot and Key Gloss Boss Lip Balm SPF 30 Vitamin C plus E. I mostly use vitamin C products. Now wait for 15 minutes to absorb all the products you used in your skin. So meet you after 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is already done and my skin is little very glowy and plumpy. So now here it's come the star product of the show. It's then a volute filler primer. Go for a mattifying or silicone based primers, especially in your tiger where you sweat a lot. It will control your signs and give you a smooth skin texture. For base, go for a lightweight MAC foundation, or you can also use a skin tint, but it should be a good coverage. I'm using this maybe Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily Skin. My shade is 310. I'm taking just this much amount. I apply it only where I need it. On my cheeks, my forehead, on my chin, nose, little bit, and that's it. I don't apply it on my mouth area. I only use a damp beauty blender and blend it full face. Only that much. Only this much needed. See. Damp beauty blender will help you to create a thin layer on your skin. So it's a good thing on summer. because heavy layers melt fast and lightweight layers stay longer than heavy one. Use a concealer where you need extra coverage or for some highlighting. Little bit, not too much, because our goal is to avoid too many layering or too many product layering, right? So we will use only that much product that we really need. And I'm planning with the same beauty wave because less product, less chance to crease. I'm using this Frizz Beauty liquid concealer in the shade Light Moen 03. Then I use the cream blush. It's a kind of orangish color, orangish peachy kind of. So it look very natural on skin, and cream products don't take up like powder products. So it's good for summer. You can use cream products or liquid products. It's much better than powder products. It's from Insight and in the shade Soft Salatin something, because it's already, I will link all the product on the description box. Okay. I'm using this liquid highlighter or illuminator from Frizz Beauty Expal Illuminator Makeup Base. It will give you a glow without feeling heavy on your skin. So I will only use it on the high point. Now let's lock it in. I don't bake because it's too drying in summer. I only press translucent powder on my skin using a puff. Yeah, it does. Take it and tap it on your skin. See, only focus on the targeted areas like your under eyes, nose area, and if you have lock line issue, then also you can use there. I do not use more product. I only dab it. Okay. If you want your skin look like matte, then you can also use it in your full face, but just how I applied it, not like you are baking or something. Okay. Now I will set my blush using the powder because we already used a cream and liquid product on our skin, so we have to set it, right? So it will stay locked for hours. I love using blushes on my nose. You can use a highlighter also, but I will not use because I already applied a liquid one. So I don't need very much chunky or glossy kind of. So I will skip this time. Now we have to set the base. So I'm using this Mars Seal the Deal makeup fixer. Again. Applying it on all over my skin, and I'm giving it time to absorb on my skin. Use the matte setting spray, not the dewy one. This step literally melts everything in the best way possible and adds staying power for hours. So don't forget this. Now set your brows with a gel or pencil or pomade. I'm using this Frizz Beauty Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil shade in the shade Deep Brown 2. Don't overdo it, only fill up the gaps. Okay. I have a natural tart eyebrow, but I don't keep this stick. Eyes, I don't do so many things. I only take any matte shade and not blue or something, natural one, and use it all over my eye and under, right? You can see the difference. That's why I do it on my under eyes. Now you can go for eyeliner. skip kajal. Don't use kajal. You can go for eyeliner or a waterproof mascara. And I use only a waterproof mascara because it makes my eyes look bigger. And I love the curly. Never ever skip this if you are lover of applying mascara. See, for lips, matte liquid lipstick are the safest option for summer. But if you like a shiny or glossy, you can also use a lip gloss on top of it. But matte lipstick stays long. I'm using this LAT B91 Nutty Latte. I really like brownish shades and it's very lightweighted, so I really love this one. And here is the final look, fresh, breathable, and we can see glowy and sweat proof for this summer. So you guys can see that I have done the water test, but it's nothing is leaked and it's so giggle. If you have been struggling in this summer for a sweat-proof or summer-proof makeup routine, then try this routine and tell me what part made the biggest difference. And let me know in the comment that what is your must-have product in this summer season for summer makeup. I would love to try it. And if this video helped you guys, then don't forget to like this video and share it with your makeup loving bestie. I will link all the product in the description, so don't forget to check it out. If you want any kind of video that I am not making, let me know, I will make it sure. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I need also support, right? So support me, I will support you guys for budget friendly makeup looks. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay cool, stay glowing. I will see you in the next one every week on Tuesday at 4:45 p.m. and short will be uploaded on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So don't forget to subscribe this bestie and support me. So bye bye.